Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. How are you? Hope that you are pretty well, and I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You are most welcome to our online class. This is English second paper class of the students of class 9 and 10. Today I will teach you writing CV with cover letter, and you can write almost all of the cover letters and CVs with this format. For this season, you must notice my class very carefully. Please look at the board. At first, you have to write the heading of the cover letter, "25 April 2020, any date." The headmaster, জ্ঞান গৃহ আদর্শ হাই স্কুল, রায়পুরা, নরসিংদী। Subject an application for the post of an assistant teacher English. I can underline this. Later I will discuss why have I underlined the line, underline the subject. And then, dear sir or madam, in response to your advertisement, published in the Daily Star on 15 April 2020, I have come to know that an assistant teacher of English will be appointed under your perusal. I am offering myself as an interested candidate for the post, and I have enclosed my CV with other particulars herewith for your kind consideration. Actually, I have been waiting for a long time for such kind of an advertisement. Here I can underline the name of the newspaper and date of the publishing the advertisement. So, I look forward for a hearty response from you, and oblige thereby. Faithfully yours, Abdur Razzaq. Actually, here I have written an application about for the post of an assistant teacher in Gyan Griha Adarsha High School. You can write any kind of advertisement. You can write any kind of CV, any kind of cover letter by this format. Please look at the board and listen to me with care. Here, the underline phrase, you have to write the post of the question paper, and this you have to write the name of the newspaper mentioned in the question paper and the date of publishing the advertisements. and all of the writings will be unchanged. So please read out for at a glance. Read out at a glance. 25 April 2020, the headmaster, Gyan Griha Adarsha High School, Raipura, Norsingdi. Subject: an application for the post of an assistant teacher English. Dear sir or madam, in response to your advertisement published in the Daily Star on 15 April 2020, I have come to know that an assistant teacher of English will be appointed under your perusal. I am offering myself as an interested candidate for the post, and I have enclosed my CV with other particulars herewith for your kind consideration. Actually, I have been waiting for a long time for such kind of an advertisement. So I look forward for a hearty response from you and oblige thereby. Faithfully yours, Abdul Razzaq. You should rate your name here. I have written here a name, Abdul Razzaq. Then this is your cover letter, and then you have to write your CV. CV means curriculum vitae. Here see the CV after that cover letter, curriculum vitae of Abdul Razzaq, 35 Azimpur, Dhaka 1200. That means here is Abdul Razzaq's mailing address, cell phone 017 and so on. Email, you have to write your email in this section, razzaq46@gmail.com. I have written this email ID. Then career object, you have to write here your career objective. To probe myself to probe my competence, to probe my competence through hard labor, sincerity and creativity. Then you have to mention here your personal information such as father's name, mother's name, date of birth, permanent address, nationality, religion, gender, marital status, language skills and educational qualifications. And you have to write experience. You can write reference if you have enough space in below of these writings in one page. Always you have to remember that you should complete your curriculum vitae in one page, not more than. That is also mentioned in your question paper, that you should not exceed one page for curriculum vitae. By the way, you have to write here father's name. You have mentioned your name in curriculum vitae of Abdul Razzaq. So write here your father's name. I am writing this in my imagination. You have to write your own informations. Mother's name, Nurjan Begum. Date of birth, you have to write your date of birth in comparison to your SSC level. as it is 2004, so you have to write here. Five one 1987. Permanent address. You have to write your own permanent address. Police station, Raipura, district, Norsingdi. Nationality, Bangladeshi. Religion, you have to write religion. Islam. Gender, male. You can write here male or female as your demand. Marital status, unmarried, language skills, fluent in speaking and writing Bangla and English. And then comes the educational qualifications. Name of exam, group or subject, result, year, board or university. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 many columns, and you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 many rows. And you can see here the box I filled up. Then experience, working as an English teacher for 2 years. If do you have any experience? Reference, you can mention and reference. You can mention reference if you have enough space in the below of your space below of your page after writing this important information. Reference, you can mention any reputed person. I have mentioned here Professor Shodrul Amin, Department of English, University of Dhaka, SEL 08. And so, dear learners, you have learned a cover letter with CV from this class, and you can write any kind of CV or cover letter by replacing the demandable information in that cover letter, and you should write after a curriculum vitae or CV after the cover letter. Of course, you have to write in one page your curriculum vitae. And so I shall teach you another topics in my next class. Keep safe and stay home. Stay home and study hard, and notice that our online class very attentively. Thank you so much.